Hey everyone, it's Justin again, and welcome to the second help video from your Mia's Puzzle Practice activity. In this help video, we'll be going over how to write the slope-intercept form equation for the vertical table from number 2, shown on screen here. Let's get into it. In order to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, you need two things, the slope and the y-intercept. Let's start with the slope. Remember that at its core, the slope is the change in y over the change in x from one point to the next. In a vertical table like this, each row represents a point. So to find how x and y change from one point to the next, we could just compare the values between rows. So from the first row to the second, x goes from -2 to -1, which is an increase of 1. And y goes from 5 to 3, which is a decrease of 2. If we take this change in x and change in y, it makes a slope of -2 over 1, or just -2. However, we should double check the rest of the rows too to make sure that there is a constant rate of change and that these points are linear. Sure enough, the change in y over the change in x always simplifies to be -2, so the points in this table are linear. That means I can continue with writing the equation of the line. Now that we have a slope, all we need is the y-intercept. How can I recognize the y-intercept in a table? Well, the y-intercept is always the point that has an x-coordinate of 0. That means that it's this row here, where x is 0 and y is 1. So the y-intercept is just 1. All that's left to do is put them together. I'll take my slope-intercept equation, substitute -2 for m, and 1 for b. And that's our final answer. That's all for this help video. Keep up the great work on the rest of the activity.